Pinoy. Yeah, he played some good stuff there. Wins under his belt, and
Regalario.
I watched that. Forward.
We were in Germany for that a couple of weeks ago. That they were.
Play a record full.
I've seen him play. Accustomed to playing big name experience. Chua lost the opening rack to Bernie Regalario. Bernie going far?
Places in the middle of the table.
Foot.
You have to, you know. In Scotland, without any practice, he's a couple of times, I believe.
There, and even when he was assistant captain. Meanwhile,
oh, 9-ball in the corner pocket.
Here we go. Well, it almost. And those patterns.
This match. We can run another one. He'll be 2 racks clear for the first time.
Holders. Spain. Formidable pairing of Ocean. Joshua Filler and Moritz Neuhausen really came back and made. Player taking the upper hand, or looking like they're really going to take a chance. That sequence is going to be maintained here.
All bring their own. The cue's so unique.
Yeah, very technically. European Open by Lucius Jan, very game flow.
He was at the table. When I come back, it didn't look like he had an opponent.
Or has he maybe not with...
Yeah. And he's fired it into... Yeah, well done.
Half the field still have to play their first.
Five is no longer on the table.
Use the word cheating, but it's not that at all.
Keep those look at the TV. Yeah, there it goes. Some players have played. The team, I can't remember who it was, said I could play it for what?
It's like you off when you're not even here.
It's proving to be, you know.
And one clear. Copigny, and he's just won the second.
Two, three, and he's missed it.
With ball in hand.